What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to use Odoo CRM step by step even if you have never used a CRM before. So if you are looking for a powerful yet beginner friendly CRM to manage your leads, sales and customer relationships, Odoo CRM might be the perfect fit. So let's get started. So first, let's start with what is Odoo CRM? So Odoo CRM is a module inside the Odoo ERP system. It helps businesses track leads and manage opportunities and schedule meetings and close the sales all in one place. It's a cloud-based, modular and highly customizable. Whether you're a small business or a growing startup, Odoo CRM can scale with you. And the best part? That's a free version available for small teams. Now, let's start using the Odoo CRM. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in odoo.com and then you will be redirected to this dashboard and from here scroll down a bit and then click on the CRM tool. After clicking here, if you are new to Odoo, click on Start Now, it's free. Or if you already have an account on Odoo, click on Sign In. As you can see, after signing up, I've been welcomed to the Odoo and building your CRM. Now, after coming to the home page of Odoo, let's break down the CRM dashboard. The Kanban view. This is where you see all your opportunities in different stages. You can drag and drop them to move across stages. And then there is a list view, a more detailed spreadsheet like view for advanced filtering and sorting. And after that, you can see the calendar view. It is great for tracking meetings and follow-ups. And then there's a graph view or pivot view to visualize your performance with charts and reports. Each card on the Kanban board is an opportunity. Click on any card to open the full details like contact name, expected revenue, probability to close, next activity, and more. After that, click on this new and then this pop-up will appear where you need to write your name of the company, your contact name, your opportunities name, your contact email, your phone number, and then click on add. As you can see, I have created my new opportunities and I can drag and drop opportunities between columns as you progress in the sales cycle. As you can see, I am dragging and dropping these opportunities to qualified and proposition and won wherever I'd like. And when I'm done, I can create new opportunities or I can click on generate leads to generate and set up how many leads I want to generate. As you can see, I have given all the information that how many leads would I like, and I said three, and these are the industries that I want to target. When I'm done, I'll just simply click on generate leads, and from here, it will generate me all the leads that I want. As you can see, it's the Amazon, the Tata Consultancy Services, and the ESPA Circ These are my leads. I can hover them to qualified, proposition, or want according to my wish and requirements. And to manage my lead, I can schedule follow-ups or calls. I can log meetings. I can add notes or tags. I can attach documents or contracts. And when you click on these three dots on a lead, you can even change the color of it. And as you can see, I have changed it to blue. And when you click on this, the new window will open of that lead, and from there, you can send messages, you can send a log note, and you can also describe an activity. And from here, you can see all the notes and the contacts that you want to access. And if you want to set a meeting for this Odoo CRM, you can just simply click on this no meeting option at the top. And then from here, your new calendar window will open where you can set up the meeting as per your wish and requirement. And Odoo CRM also offers some automation tools like lead scoring, which prioritizes hot leads with scoring rules, and automated emails to send welcome messages or reminders based on lead actions, and pipeline automation, where we move opportunities automatically when tasks are done. And don't forget, you can customize pipelines, stages, activity types, and even add custom fields to suit your business. Now, let's move to the final conclusion. So that was a quick beginner's tour of Odoo CRM. From capturing leads to closing deals, Odoo gives you all the tools that you need to manage your sales process like a pro. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more CRM business tools tutorials. That was all for the video everyone. Thank you for watching.